Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain previous NEET multiple choice questions from Mineral Nutrition chapter in between 2013 to 2020. Question number 1 from NEET 2013. The first stable product of fixation of atmospheric nitrogen in leguminous plants is. The options are: first option ammonia, second option NO3 minus, third option glutamate, and fourth option NO2 minus. The correct answer is first option, because the end product of nitrogen fixation is ammonia, and this ammonia can convert into ammonium ionic form. Then these ammonium ions are uptaken by plant body. Question number 2 from NEET 2016 phase 1. In which of the following all three macronutrients are present? The first option nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus. Second option boron, zinc, manganese. Third option iron, copper, molybdenum. Fourth option molybdenum, magnesium, manganese. In this, the correct answer is first option, because nitrogen, sulfur and phosphorus are the macronutrients needed with a large quantity to plant body, so that these are considered as macronutrients. Question number 3 from NEET 2016 phase 2. Which is essential for growth of root tip? First option zinc, second option iron, third option calcium, fourth option manganese. The correct answer is third option. So the newly developed cells at a root tip, it need calcium for the formation of calcium pectate in middle lamella. Question number 4 from NEET 2017. Select mismatch. First option Rhodospirillum mycorrhiza. Second option Anabaena nitrogen fixer. Third option Rhizobium alfalfa. Fourth option Frankia alnus. In this, the correct answer is first option, because Rhodospirillum it not associated with mycorrhiza, and Anabaena it is a nitrogen fixer. Rhizobium present in legume plants like alfalfa. Frankia it present with alnus. Question number 5 from NEET 2018. Which of the following element is responsible for maintaining turgor in cell? The options are: first option magnesium, second option sodium, third option potassium, fourth option calcium. The correct answer is third option. In a plant cell, the turgidity of cell is maintained by potassium and chlorine ions. So that third option potassium is useful to maintain turgor in cell. Question number 6 from NEET 2019 phase 1. Thiobacillus is a group of bacteria helpful in carrying out. First option nitrogen fixation, second option chemoautotrophic fixation, third option nitrification, and fourth option denitrification. The correct answer is fourth option, because Thiobacillus denitrificans and Pseudomonas denitrificans bacteria are useful to fix atmospheric nitrogen. So that fourth option is the correct one for Thiobacillus. Question number 7 from NEET 2019 phase 2. Which of the following bacteria reduce nitrate in soil into nitrogen? The first option Nitrobacter, second option Nitrococcus, third option Thiobacillus, and fourth option Nitrosomonas. In this, the correct answer is third option, because Thiobacillus denitrificans bacteria, it perform denitrification. In this denitrification, nitrates are converted into nitrogen that can release into atmosphere, again is called denitrification. So that third option is the correct one for this question. Question number 8 from NEET 2020 phase 1. The product of reaction catalyzed by nitrogenase in root nodules of leguminaceae plants is or first option ammonia alone, second option nitrate alone, third option ammonia and oxygen, fourth option ammonia and hydrogen. The correct answer is fourth option. So nitrogenase enzyme, it perform nitrogen fixation and it can convert ammonia and hydrogen. Question number 9 from NEET 2020 phase 1. Match the following concerning essential element and their function in plants. In this, in column 1, iron, B, zinc, C, boron, D, manganese. In column 2, 1, photolysis of water, 2, pollen germination, 3, required for chlorophyll biosynthesis, 4th, IAA biosynthesis. In this, the correct answer is third option because iron is needed for chlorophyll biosynthesis. Zinc, it is needed for IAA auxin biosynthesis, and boron is needed for pollen germination, and manganese required for photolysis of water in photosynthesis. Question number 10 from NEET 2020 phase 2. In glycine max, the product of biological nitrogen fixation is transported from the root nodule to other parts as first option ammonia, second option glutamate, third option nitrates, and fourth option urites. The correct answer is fourth option urites. Because of high nitrogen and low carbon ratio, the rhizobium bacteria present in root nodules can fix atmospheric nitrogen in uride form, and these urides can be transported to various parts of plant body in leguminous plants. Question number 11 from NEET 2020 phase 2. Which of the following element help in maintaining the structure of ribosomes? The first option is magnesium, second option zinc, third option copper, and fourth option molybdenum. The correct answer is first option because magnesium is the main element and macronutrient needed to maintain the structure of ribosomes, because at the time of protein synthesis, the larger and smaller subunits of ribosomes are attached to each other to form ribosomal complex with the help of magnesium Mg2 plus ions only. So these are the different previous multiple choice questions asked in NEET examination in between 2013 to 2020. Thanks for watching.